Welcome to The Grasp. I'm Doug. We continue our series in trading by looking at different trading types. So sit back and let's see where you fit in. Of course, we always have to start with the same disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a professional advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Although we are a cryptocurrency channel, the types of stuff that we're talking about in this trading series applies to any type of trading, whether it be stocks, options, futures, cryptocurrencies, or anything else. As long as it is a fluid market, this stuff applies. When most people think of trading, they think of day trading. But really, trading encompasses all types of different styles. So there is position trading, which is you could consider buy and hold. There is swing trading. There is core trading. There is day trading, intraday trading, micro trading, scalping. There are all different types of trading. And the difference between each one is literally the time frame that you're looking at. When we talk about position trading, we're talking something that you buy and you hold for months to years, long-term trades. Core trading generally encompasses something that you may hold from weeks to many months. Swing trades are typically a few days to a week, sometimes longer, but generally when you're talking swing trade, you're talking days to weeks. Day trades, of course, are generally hours to all day long. Intraday trades are usually minutes to hours. This is kind of my sweet spot when I was in the stock world. I did intraday trades. And then micro trades are when you're literally just holding on to a position for minutes, and scalp trades are literally seconds to minutes. You're literally just trying to snag a little bit off the top.
Wallowitz went to MIT. What's your educational background?
I went to art school.
Equally ridiculous. Let's go.
When people first come to trading, they think that the market is ready when they're ready. They turn on their computer in the morning and they're ready to trade and start making money. But if you think about it, all trading is based on patterns and setups, right? We're waiting for something to come and develop a particular pattern that we'll get used to or that we look for. But patterns are made up of candles, and candles take time. And so patience and discipline is the key to trading. You have to wait for your pattern to set up, and that takes time. So just because you turn your computer on and you're ready to go doesn't mean that it's time to enter a trade. We have to be patient.
I can sort of dance like a robot. Will that help?
Fry?
Depending on what type of trading you do is going to depend on how many setups that you get, right? So we're looking for setups. So if you're a position or a core trader, those are long-term trades. And so you're looking at long-term charts. And again, it takes candles, several candles, to create a pattern. And so if you're a core trader or a position trader, you may only get 3 to 6 setups over the course of a year. If you're a swing trader, again, it takes time, and you're looking at, generally daily charts. And so you may only get 3 or 4 trades a month that's set up. With day trades, you may only get 1 to 4 trades per week. So it all depends on what time frame you're focused on. Let's look at a few charts so that we can see some examples of what I'm talking about. As you can see here, this is a weekly chart. And so I have a few entries marked here. The entries aren't important, so we're not going to focus on those right now. We'll cover more of that later. But the main thing you need to realize here is, since we're talking about a position or a core trade, we are looking at weekly charts, which means that each one of the bars is 1 week of trading time, 7 days. So given this, you can see here that you don't get an entry very often. It may be months. If you get an entry and take this entry in here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, about almost 40 weeks between this entry and that one. So you can see this is a long-term type trading opportunity. Same thing here, all of these, it takes many, many weeks, so you may only get a few trades in a year's time if you are a position or a core trader.
Show me the money.
Here's an example of a swing trading chart. Notice this is a daily chart, meaning each one of these bars is 1 day's trading period. And as you can see, again, I'm not going to go into each of these entries, but on this chart, it is several weeks between trades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's just over 2 weeks. And so that's how the different time frames fit into a particular trading style. A few notes about swing trading. These will apply to all types of trading, but especially swing trading, you absolutely want to make sure that you confirm the trend that you are in. Be patient and wait for your pattern. You can catch the breakout. We'll cover those when we get on to more specific trading setups. But the key is to buy quality pullbacks, sell incrementally to lock in your profits.
How does it feel to have all that money?
Feels great.
Now here's an example of a day trading chart. This is a 5-minute chart, meaning each bar represents 5 minutes. And as you can see, you can get several opportunities through the course of the trading day. But there are some days, like in this sideways sloppy mess here, where you won't trade at all.
I've got it.
There are many different ways to make money in trading, but the key is to find the style that fits your personality. That takes time and patience. So as you approach this venture, take time. Pick one style to start with, what you think is going to be your style, and practice it. It's going to take a lot of time, but you can do that. What you may find though is that you were thinking that, hey, you would like to be a core trader or a swing trader, but you get into a position and you're so jittery that you have to get out. You get in and get out. Well, perhaps that doesn't fit your personality. So it takes a lot of time to work this out, but that's what I encourage you to do, is to practice, pick one style, try it, see if it works. All of this, of course, is said on paper, right? We start with paper, not with real money, because this is an acquired skill.
Quit squawking, Fleshwad. Nobody's forcing you to buy anything.
Trading can be exciting and rewarding, but it is an acquired skill set. If you treat it like a hobby, it'll pay like a hobby. If you treat it like a business, it'll pay like a business. So be patient, do your homework, take your time, and you will reap the rewards. That's all for now. We'll see you back here on The Grasp.